we are saying set up Minority Affairs Ministry because the trickle-down approach to solving these kinds of problems just doesn't work. What we need is targeted, focused, pointed efforts, like what we are suggesting. And we believe there needs to be adequate political will to carry this through. And we feel that with the UMNO bureaucracy, being monolithic as it is, we'll take every effort to kill this plan. So we feel there needs to be adequate political will to see it through, and we feel that Hindraf is the only organization in the country to be able to see through a program for the minorities like this.
Sir, what is Hindraf's response as to PM's invitation for dialogue?
Yeah, I mean, we made it very clear. You want a dialogue? We'll dialogue, but lift the ban on Hindraf first.
Do you think Najib's call is employed? Do you think Najib's call is actually employed?
This is something, I mean, if you base it on history, I mean, we've been deceived so many times in the past, right? Then you're probably right, but, we're willing to give them the benefit of the doubt.
Just briefly, what's in the blueprint?
Weren't you here for the...
No, you spoke in Tamil.
Oh, I see. Okay, we've got a CD for you, right? We'll give it to you. The blueprint has 6 areas, right? Displaced estate worker program, stateless people, education, opening up the entire education system, opening up employment and business opportunities for small businesses, and stopping the corruption and impunity of the police, and bringing the human rights laws in our country to be up to the international standards, and signing and ratifying the several covenants of the United Nations, which the country is one of the last few yet to sign and ratify.
Are you referring to the UN Convention on Racial Discrimination?
On racial discrimination, on civil and political rights, and on guiding principles on internally displaced people.
Mr. Ganesan, are these 6 problematic areas are the main focus before the GE13 soon?
Not before the GE13. These are the 6 areas we say that must be addressed within the next 5 years. And there are others, but these are the priority areas.
Before the general elections, sir?
Not before the general elections. We are saying these are the problems, these are the 6 areas of the problem that need to be addressed over a period of 5 years.
Right. What if Pakatan and Barisan, none of them
if neither of them want to take us up, we will let the people decide.
The people being?
Yeah, you just saw.
Only the Hindus?
Not the Hindus,
Not the Hindus.
The Indians. Yeah.
I mean, sorry, my apologies.
Yeah, we let the Indians decide, and we let the others who are sensitive to our cause, let them decide.
Right. Overall, you're calling for a nationwide call then?
That's right.
Right. Okay, MICG Bonneville dismissed recently Hindraf's influence on the Indian nation voters and stated clearly neither Hindraf nor Warta is a threat. Comments?
He can say whatever he wants. We don't care about MIC. As far as we are concerned, MIC is non-existent. He can say whatever he wants. We have never bothered about that. So anyway, our main focus and concern are the plight of almost 1.5 million Indians who are below the poverty line, below those who are suffering on a daily basis, the displaced people and the stateless people, and those who are denied various other rights, rights to education, religious freedom, etc. So we have seen the support. We have gone around the country for the last 3 months, since 1st of August, and we have received tremendous support from the people and mandate to formulate a blueprint to find a permanent, comprehensive and practical solution for their problems. And today, with the release of the blueprint, and I think you all have seen for yourself the overwhelming support of the people towards the blueprint. People are tired and sick of the polemics of the politicians. I think this has to end, and we have formulated the blueprint on the basis that this country has to be turned into a democratic and just society. And it is time the country takes responsibility for its minority communities. That's why we are insisting upon the setting up of the minority affairs community. Western world takes pride in taking care of the problems faced by the minorities. Most Western countries, developed countries, have a minority affairs ministry. It is time Malaysia has a minority affairs ministry, and we have offered that the responsibility of the ministry should go to Hindraf. The people believe that only Hindraf could do it. The people are equally distrustful of politicians who make promises without delivery. And we have always maintained that Hindraf is not a political organization. We are saying it again, we are not a political organization. We are a people's movement. We are here to resolve the people's movement.
So, recently there's
No, let's not go into that. Let's talk about this. I think we have said enough about our blueprint, and I think whatever that has transpired.
regarding the blueprint.
Say again.
Because he was calling for.
We don't care about what others say. You know, we go on the basis of the mandate of the people.
Excuse me. This is the Hindra's 5th anniversary event. Why is your brother Uttaya Kumar not here since he is significant?
Because he has formed a human rights political party. So we are running the movement as a people's movement. Thank you. Thank you all.